Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to Slovakia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, when it comes to apply to a tourist visa of Slovakia, first of all, many nationalities do not even need it because Slovakia is a part of Schengen area. So if you have a Schengen visa, you can go there. Or if you're from a country whose citizens do not require a Schengen visa, then also you do not need it. But what if you do? That's what we are going to cover in this video. So make sure you watch it till the end. So guys, let's say you are an Indian citizen, okay, and you don't have a Schengen visa and you don't fall under any other exception. So in that case, how you're going to apply? So based on your location, whichever is the mission consulate nearby to you, you got to apply there. And when it comes to apply for the Schengen visa, it is like you need to determine through which state you are going to enter first, because that is going to determine your application place, like where you're going to apply. Okay, so let's say you're going to visit Slovakia and you're from India. So for that, I have opened this Slovak Republic in New Delhi, this embassy. But as I said, you need to open as per your location. So visitor visa is like C type C visa short term. So that comes under Schengen. So I have gone to services and there I have clicked on Schengen. Okay. So this embassy in New Delhi also serves for people of Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. Okay, and they have given this information. Okay, now first of all, so now when it comes to apply, let's see the process. So the very first thing is like you need to download this form and fill it up. We'll go through that. Then you need your travel document, passport size photo, okay, documents confirming purpose of tourism, so confirmation of pay, like confirmation of stay, okay, if you're going for tourism, confirmation of payment, so they have given it. You can go through it. It's gonna give you all the information, general things like if you're going to visit, like accommodation, proof of funds. These are always required for Schengen visa. Return ticket. These things are always required. So that's important. And for other categories like international conference, business visa, they have asked similar things. See, I was talking about the funds. Okay. Confirmed booking, valid medical and travel insurance. Okay. Coverage of 30,000 euro minimum. All applicants, and this is for minors. All right. This is about biometrics. Application fee. This has to be paid in INR to the bank account of embassy or on the day of appointment. Applicants through VFS Global pay fee there. Now we will find out that who needs to apply at the embassy and who needs to apply at VFS. Okay, this is the fee they have given. Processing time 15 calendar days, but it can be extended to 45 calendar days. Like it depends upon individual cases. Now here they have provided the very valuable information that first of all you need to get an appointment, right? If you want to apply, so you can apply for an appointment by email. So the appointment at embassy, they have kept it for citizens of Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, so that they can submit there in New Delhi. All other Indian, and for Indian citizens, they are recommended to apply through VFS, third party, in center Mumbai, Delhi, or Bangalore. Okay. All right. So what I did after that, I opened this VFS site where they have given the step-by-step information. So when you go to the visa type and you select tourism, they have given you the process, visa fee. VFS has its own service fee that you have to pay. Document required checklist we have already gone through. travel insurance and other things we have already gone through. Photo specifications are here. Processing time. Now the form is here. Surname. This section is for uh, office use, so don't worry about that. Surname, surname at birth, first name, date of birth, place of birth, current nationality, nationality at birth if different, your gender, civil status, parental authority in case of my nationality number, type of travel document, passport details, personal data, okay, if applicable for this section, purpose of journey, additional information, member state. These questions are very important. Number of entries requested. This is about biometric. Means of financial support. So these questions we see in almost like for all Schengen visas. Place and date and sign. Okay. So you got the process, and once you have it, like you can book an appointment at VFS, or if you're not a citizen of India and of other countries as they had shown, you can email embassy and book an appointment, and you can go over there. Like for VFS, you can pay at the VFS, and for embassy, they have given information like uh, yeah, yeah, for embassy, okay, bank account memory by appointment. Okay, all right. So we know. Now let's see form here. It should be same, but let's go and check it out. Uh, yeah, same thing over there that we have seen. So the process is now clear to you guys. So hopefully you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.